Welcome Rickenbacker fans to episode number 94 of Name That Rick. Today's song is a 1981 release by an American artist out of Boston. This was his debut single for his debut album. The song charted in the United States as well as the UK. The inspiration for this song was the Hard Rock Cafe that just opened in Destin, Florida. Features a Rickenbacker guitar out in front of it. Name this hard rock song and band.